underground. I mean,
No, it's
under
over
there.
Here, how about here?
Reserved.
Reserved. Let's keep driving in. There's not that.
Why are they reserved?
Reserved for parking, no?
No, reserved.
Dirt
man.
busters. It's there. See,
Reserved means no.
dirt busters and everything.
Oh.
So there on the right side, after the white car.
There, now we're good. At least on the right side now. This is all available.
I'll park here then. It has a bigger space. And there's more space there, no? Why would I park here?
It doesn't matter. The stairs are over there, so we're gonna go that way anyways. And there's a pay. This is perfect because we're in the middle of the stairs and the pay booth.
Good. Imagine you accidentally
So we're paying for the parking now. We park all the way there. And then we're gonna go. We're gonna take this bridge-looking thing. Park closed from dusk to dawn. It's really nice. Remember, we brought our bike here before, Ko.
Yeah.
I know we bike here.
I was gonna say there's gonna be a big tower.
There's a big tower there.
You know what's crazy is like, look there, how far they got down. They're underwater there. Like, water's been down out.
Let them smell of construction.
How do we go on that side? Is there a path to go that way?
I guess there isn't anymore, eh?
Ah,
There used to be a walkway through there, yeah.
Oh, you can't now?
Doesn't look like it unless there's something out front there. Maybe it's gonna be gone till it's. It'll be nice once it's done.
How do you? Maybe there is.
You have to walk on the street.
Why do people here?
Because there's park here all down below us.
Remember we used to bike here, there.
Yeah,
We park. There's a parking. This entire thing is a big
This is all
parking.
Parking, yeah. Yeah, this used to be all parking.
I guess let's walk on the there then.
Let's walk here first, and then let's walk west across the street.
I have to cross from below, yeah, there. That's what we were doing then.
Yeah.
We crossed from there, and then walk next to the street. Look at the bike.
Look at this.
I don't want to try it.
Right? Oh God. It's really big. I wanna try it. I wanna try it, but it's for kids, no?
Yeah.
We're kids.
It's really scary. Look at that.
What if the kid fall in there, inside? See, you can still fall inside. I can hear a kid crying already.
I know.
It'd be cool at night, all the poles are wrapped with lights.
Yeah, right.
Look at that ship.
Remember, there's an island here. We checked before. The houses like all really close together on that side.
Yeah, and this
The
is.
SkyTrain. And then you could tell it's gonna go there too.
They're starting to go right now. That is pushing. Both of them. Oh, yes, exactly. Okay, on the left, Pier.
No, not really. Can you hold, or just push my glasses in the middle? More?
I'll hold this. I don't know how you want it. Yeah. It's easier for me to hold it than.
Yeah, actually. Liam?
Look at
I
Surrey.
like
It's not a train,
I
right?
like Pitt Meadows because it's like so quiet. But I like this. I like this area too.
Look at all the trains here. See? Surrey.
Can you fly a drone here? I don't think so actually because the train crashes here.
But we're trying the small one. It's not like a big.
You're right.
What's the difference between your drone and a small bird?
Right.
Right? We'll sleep there. If I'm a bang, we'll sleep
See people park there, down there.
Wait, there's parking there. Is it free? Oh, no, it's not.
No, it's not.
I like that bridge though.
Yeah.
Looks nice.
Mostly people going here for the playground. The playground is not even special. It's like nothing. There's a playground. Wait, how do we cross to the other side?
Wait, you can go down here too?
Yeah, I know.
Next to it?
But how do we cross the other side? We have to go up there again?
We'll go there. Oh yeah, you can just
You can't. You have to go upstairs. You have to go up there again.
Alright. Columbia Street. Stride Studio.
Oh, somebody spilled their drink. That's nice. I'm gonna try that.
I want to try the hammock.
What's new with Liam?
Yeah.
Actually, Liam's much bigger now. Oh, it's actually soft now.
It's weird. Don't fall.
How am I saying no helmet?
Right?
What's
It's
that
like
mean?
don't wear helmet. I don't get it.
Designed for children aged 5 to 12.
It doesn't say weight limit, does it?
Really weird. I don't get it. Right? What does it mean? Don't wear helmet? Or helmet not required?
So it's saying although it's designed for children ages 5 to 12, adult supervision is recommended.
I don't know what.
Supervision is recommended.
Should try it actually. It feels nice. Like, this would be great to have it on the bed.
Yeah.
Or the detached has a nice
I want to try this. The seesaw.
I'm gonna go that way.
Yeah. I want to go to the other side. Yeah.
I'm good, I'm good, I'm good.
Let's go to the other side now. We don't have to go walk that way.
Let's go that way.
Let's go to the other side.
Is that art or isn't that what they burned?
It's gone now, no? This is the end, see? I want to walk all the way to the other side.
Oh that's awesome.
Ready?
We're walking.
I thought we can walk on the other side. I guess you have to walk along there. We should have at least made something here.
Huh?
Oh, wait, wait, wait.
Right?
We're going up the bridge and then down the parking.
Yeah, we're gonna go down there.
See the stairs on the other side?
Oh,
Yeah.
I can see that. You need to go there. You need to go there.
No.
Even just 15. It's not one guy smoking. One is not.
Yeah, I guess I'm gonna record when we get to the other side then. I'm gonna stop this now.
Surely.
What's up there?
Right on top of the building.
Yeah. Parking lot? Whoa, slippery.
I remember that those days.
Oh, look at that! Stop!
Oh, because
The guy that yelled at us?
We're gonna get there soon.
you cross now.
What's going on?
Oh, I can cross here on the right side.
That would suck though if you live in this nice building.
But you don't know higher up.
And you can see the stairs here, see? Smells good.
Yeah.
Some kind of restaurant somewhere. They have a nice view, right?
Oh yeah, they had the nice view before.
Oh,
It's gonna get blocked, no?
I think this is how view.
Even those buildings. Even that one. That one. Right? Annoying.
Wait,
What?
why is it counting down? The SD. Did they use the wrong SD card?
Maybe. Yeah, I think the more. I remember fried chicken place here.
I look at the plane sideways.
That's actually a big restaurant, right? See, look.
This is what we're smelling then,
Turn this down yet? I can't believe it.
right?
What ride you talking about?
It's nice here to see.
Nice here.
I remember there's a restaurant here before.
These houses, I'm not saying it's for sale when you check it on the realtor map. I mean, realtor.com. Look at that building. Look at that one. That one's expensive, I remember. We checked that.
It was expensive.
There's no one behind us.
Would you work on that?
A lot of semen.
Serious. Trying to ask a serious question. We'll take it for a
Careful.
There, we're walking back now. So hotel.
Leave it for like 2 minutes. It's good, but the caffeine.
Caffeine, yeah. That's good. We're gonna go back there now. Oh yeah, yeah.
From the beginning? Good.
Back now. 7 seconds.
Mine
4,
too much.
3, 2, 1, 0.